All right, I'm going to walk through how to build the quiz and launch it as a Facebook ad to start generating leads. And I'm just going to do this in real time. All I've done so far is I have the results of my quiz because I know exactly what I want the results to be at the end, like the different outcomes for quiz takers. And then I've also made some graphics for the quiz cover, and then also for my Facebook ads. I've made those images ahead of time because I don't know if you're like me, but I tend to spend way too long on those. So I'm not going to bore you with all of that. This is Interact AI. It's our new AI quiz maker. So depending on how much content you have for your quiz, if you have nothing and you just want to start from your website, you can do that. Or in my case, I have the results of my quiz, which are over here in this tab. I have 3 results that I want to show on this quiz. My quiz is a business growth quiz. So basically diagnosing what does your business need to grow. And these are the outcomes that I want: focus, repetition, and process. Let's just jump in and start doing this. At tryinteract.com/AI, create a quiz. I have an exact quiz title that I want to make because I know what I want to title this. If I didn't, I could have it suggest titles for me as well. So I'm just going to go this route. I'm going to copy and paste my website text since I already have these results. Basically, this is just like, what do you want the quiz to be based on? So I'm going to paste that in here. Go next. What's your quiz title? Is business growth quiz. Next, I want the quiz to basically assess knowledge or expertise, like what level are you at? So I'm going to choose that one. Yes, I have specific outcomes. So let's go ahead and copy paste in my outcomes here. So I have focus as one outcome here. Next one, I'm just going to take these spaces out so it's just one continuous outcome. Focus, repetition. Oh, that's a little too long, huh? Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and just remove some of this. Well, I can always add this back in, so I'm just going to take out part of it there. Repetition, this one should be fine. And then process is the last one. Oh, add outcome. Process, paste in my description there. Okay. Those are my descriptions. I'm going to hit next. How many questions? This is an ad, so I'm probably just going to leave the default, honestly, at 5. Next. Okay, so what do I want to specifically focus on? Focus on what stage the business owner who is taking this quiz is at and what they would need to do in order to grow to the next level. I'm not going to obsess over my copy there. The AI is going to figure that out. It's going to put in my email and link that up. Now, this is probably going to take about 2 minutes. Usually that's how long it takes for these things to get ready to go. While I'm waiting on that, I'm going to go ahead and create my campaign over here. So create a campaign in Ads Manager. I'm going to go traffic as the goal. Just go with default settings here just to keep that simple. Campaign name is business growth quiz. Nothing to declare on any of this. I'm just going to go real simple here. Conversion location. I'm going to go maximize number of link clicks because I just want this to automatically run for me. I'm going to go $10 a day to get started here. Budget scheduling. I'm going to let it do all this. I'm going to go Advantage Plus audience. I do want the minimum age to be a little higher because typically I work with businesses that are a little bit bigger. So 70 to 200 clicks a day for $10. Not bad. I'm going to go next. And then I'm just going to go start setting up the ad creative here. Facebook page is the Interact one. I'm going to add my media because I already have these. I'm going to go upload from my desktop. I have this one. So this is the image that I made for it. Let's see if the quiz is done. Almost done. Finalizing. I'm going to go next here. And let's see, original. I mean, honestly, it's kind of fine, but I'm going to go ahead and upload different versions of this for the different horizontal, vertical. That's the one I want for the different aspect ratios, just because I want it to look better. I don't want it to look weird. Original there, and then replace this one with my horizontal. Let's see, that one. There we go. Horizontal add. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that one for that. So these all just like look nice here. Okay, good there. I'm gonna let it auto optimize because it's good at that. So primary text here on the ad. What does your business need to grow? That's what I want to say. It gives you suggestions here. You can try them out. Doesn't really matter in my opinion. You can just try to test that out. Take this quiz to diagnose exactly what your business needs to reach the next level of growth. There we go. And then description. We formulated this quiz to help you identify the exact path to take in order to scale your business. Try it out. Totally free. Yeah, that's fine. Learn more. Seems good. So now I need to go back and finish my quiz. There we go. It's ready to go. So view quiz. Let's take a look at what we've got going on here. Business growth quiz. Pretty solid. How do you determine your business's primary focus each quarter? Okay, that's cool. Nice. Very cool. Oh wow, it got my whole result in here, but I think on that first one it did cut off the last piece. I'm just gonna add that back in. Boom. Focus. Let's just find a nice photo for focus. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's pretty easy there. Repetition. What do we got? Lifting weights. I feel like lifting weights is what I think of when I think of repetition. So let's just go with that. Oh, nice, cool. And then final one, process. Cool. Yeah, I like this one. All right. Then for the cover, I did make a cover photo. Growth quiz cover. I'm gonna upload that because I just want this to match the ad. So it's just like a different photo from the same photo shoot that I did the ads on. So lead gen, I'm going to turn this on. I want first name and email. I want to allow users to skip the opt-in form, and then want to get bi-weekly business growth tips. Subscribe for value-packed lessons sent every other week. We promise to continue being helpful and not just try to sell you stuff. A little cheeky there. Change this color to be that purple. Subscribe, see my results, and then I'm going to leave the skip on there. I'm going to enable GDPR consent, and then I'm going to go, I agree to the Interact terms of use and privacy policy. And let's see, I'm going to go ahead and link those. Cool. And those are both linked now. Now what I'm going to do here is a little trick. We have all these direct integrations. You can segment based on which outcome somebody gets and how they answer questions. But because I'm just running this as a test and I don't want to waste my time setting up a bunch of stuff unless this is going to work. So I'm first going to see if it starts getting leads. And if it does, then I'm going to integrate and do all that good stuff. So I'm going to do a CSV file download. which just lets me bypass all that stuff. And sure, I'll have to do like a manual upload later, but look, like we're literally done and we're at 10 minutes 42 seconds. Here's what the quiz looks like. I can take it, I can go through the questions. It has the email opt-in form and it has my results. So freaking sweet. Now I'm just going to grab that direct URL. So you saw I grabbed the URL there. I'm going to put that into my Facebook ad over here, website URL. I'm going to display the link as, it's going to display quiz.tryinteract.com. That's honestly fine. Yeah. And I'm not worrying about tracking here because I know that any lead that comes in is going to be tracked inside of Interact. So I don't need to worry about it on this side. So now I'm ready to go. Publish. We're in draft and published. Well, not published yet, but once it's reviewed, 11 minutes, 39 seconds from start to finish. I can look at my analytics inside here in Interact. So here's me that I just took it. I can see how many leads come in. I can see who those leads are right here. So I don't have to worry about the pixel and all that jazz. This just makes it super easy to try a bunch of different iterations. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to try a bunch of different quizzes. Some I'll write my own results. Others I'll have the AI generate it for me. This AI is super cool. It allows you to just do this like really fast testing without spending weeks or months or whatever building out these quizzes. So highly recommend this if you're looking to ramp up your lead gen game. Once I figure out a quiz that works really well, I'll set up specific results emails for that quiz and then merge those people back into my biweekly newsletter, which is what I told people on that form, as you saw. So this is how you create a whole quiz and launch it as a Facebook ad in 11 minutes and 39 seconds.